Nolan takes a photo of a parking lot every 2 hours. He counts the number of cars in each photo. The diagram shows the number of cars in each photo. Okay, so who cares about every 2 hours? Not important. So photo, number 1, 2, 3, 4. Photo, number. And then number of cars. We're okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of cars, 2, 4, 8, 16. Alright, let me ask you a bunch of questions and that might help you do the problem. Class, is it linear? Well, you might be thinking from here to here, but how do you get to 2 to 4? Can I keep multiplying? Yeah, so this is multiplying. Actually, you could do this problem in 2 ways. Let's see. Doing math in my head. 1, 0, 1. No. Okay. So you could multiply by 2, yes? Or could you add? If you added, how do you go from 2 to 4? Keep going. Okay. So it's not linear, right? What's next? How do you go from 2 to 4? Plus 2? Can I count? 1, 4. Oh. Sorry. They changed the problem. This one has 9. You see it? Oh, they're so sneaky. You guys were right. I was trying to follow my old scoring rubric. Let's try that again. So I recognize that, look. Okay, so you made the mistake I did, look. Is it linear? Yes or no? No. That should be the same number. Is it quadratic? No, because that's supposed to be the same number. Okay, so you can't keep adding. So it's not linear. It's not quadratic. The answer is going to be exponential. Okay. What does it mean to be exponential? It just basically means that, which you already said in the first place, is to go from the first number to the second number, you have to multiply by 2. Times 2. Times 2. Times 2. Okay. There is a formula. You can just write down the formula. G of n equals G1 times R, and then the exponent is n minus 1. And as we transition between books, the old Carnegie and a new Carnegie book, we basically skip the chapter. That's why your quizzes said October, not September, is because we spent a month talking about how to get that formula. So let me just explain what the formula is. G1 represents the first picture. What does it represent, class? Put your finger on the first picture, or the first value. How many cars do you have there? 2 is your answer. Write 2 there. Okay, what number did you keep multiplying by? Okay, so when you're multiplying, this is your common ratio. So I have 2, and this n minus 1 looks confusing. Just write it down. It's very small. Write it down. Let me first box it to show you that is our answer. And then let me show you why this formula works. Someone pick a photo number. 3. Okay? That means that in my formula, n is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And 8 times 2 is 16. Oh no! This doesn't work. Do you see how? I checked it. This is bad. I know what the answer is. So this formula doesn't work. 2 times we've tried something, doesn't work. It's okay. Why? We were so close on this one. 2 to the n value n value, what do you guys think it is? I know what it is. It's 2. Oh. This one does work. But I can't explain it. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. That works. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4. 4. You guys tricked me. It does work. Okay. I can't do math. Look. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4. And 4 times 2 is 8. Another way of writing this as your answer is, it's kind of complicated. 2 to the first power, the 1 plus negative 1 equals 0. So your answer, another way of writing this a little bit simpler, is 2 to the n power. So this works, and this works. So exponential, we went around a couple of times, but it worked. Watch. N equals 4. 2 to the 4th power is 16.